If you want to add fingerprint on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, all you have to do is you need to go to settings. Next, in settings, if you scroll down, you should be able to find fingerprints, face data, and screen lock. In order to be able to set up a fingerprint sensor, you need to have a screen lock password. So if you don't have it, first you have to do that. And once you have the screen lock password, of course, we can proceed. Then we can enter the screen lock password. And now we have the setup. So we can tap on record. You have the screen protector tip, which of course says that if you apply a custom screen protection, it may interfere with the fingerprint recognition. Now over here we have the fingerprint scanner. We need to press our finger that we want to scan on the sensor, and then we need to rotate our finger. So we can rotate it to scan the most area possible of our finger until we get everything done, until we are done with scanning. So you don't even have to lift your finger if you want to scan the finger on your POCO F8 Pro or Ultra. It just works like that. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.